What is the full form of LED? The answer is light emitting diode. What is the measuring unit to calculate the distance between the stars? The answer is light year or parsec, also known as parallactic second. In which medium does sound travel faster? The answer is solid. The study of sound is called as? The answer is acoustics. Mirage occurs due to underscore. The answer is total internal reflection. Bats produce which waves to travel from one place to another? The answer is ultrasonic waves. Which is the quietest place on earth where we can hear sound of our own heartbeat and eye blink? The answer is anechoic chamber at Orfield Laboratories in Minneapolis. Which rays are used in night vision cameras? The answer is infrared rays or infrared radiation. What is the reason for sky's blue color? The answer is scattering of sunlight by air molecules. What is the device used to measure depth of water? The answer is fathometer. Generally, a human can hear frequency of sound from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. But some human beings can listen 25,000 Hz frequency of sound at what age? The answer is children under 5 years of age can listen 25,000 Hz frequency of sound. Which waves are used to treat kidney stones? The answer is ultrasound shock waves. A human ear cannot recognize two different sounds at what interval of time? The answer is less than 0.1 second. Twinkling of stars is due to which phenomenon? The answer is refraction of light. Gravity of Earth is zero at which point? The answer is at the center of the Earth. Stethoscope works on which principle? The answer is multiple reflection of sounds. Light-colored clothes are preferred in summer because? The answer is they are poor absorbers of heat. Who designed first submarine? The answer is David Bushnell. A solar eclipse occurs when? The answer is the moon comes between the sun and earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when? The answer is the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Thunder is heard after the flashing of light is seen because? The answer is light travels faster than sound. How many stars can be seen with naked eye on a clear night? The answer is 2,000 stars, previously 3,000 stars. Due to light pollution, the figure reduced. Rocks of which planet likely to float on water? The answer is rocks of Saturn planet. What is the time taken by the sunlight to reach Earth? The answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. What is the time taken by the moonlight to reach Earth? The answer is 1.3 seconds. Thank you for watching.